Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can perform a system update on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Maybe something doesn't work anymore, maybe you get notifications that you have a software update available, maybe there's something else going on and you just want to check if there's an update available. For that you need to go to your settings, then you need to go to About Phone and then go to the version here. And you see an update is available, so we go ahead and click on Download Update. And now it's downloading the update. Updated Android security patch to April 2023. Increased system security and stable MIUI based on Android 13. Alright, so let's see. So we're almost at 100% now. That took a while, honestly. Let me have a look. It's about 9 minutes now. So that took some time. We're almost getting there. Downloading 100%, alright. And then I think the next step is to install the update. Let's see what it says next. Now it's updating. So now we're almost done. It's up to 69% now. 79. It took a while, honestly. You can use your phone just normal in that time. And then when it updated to 100%, it will probably restart, but don't worry, all your settings and everything will be there. Don't need to worry about that. Honestly, this takes a really long time. We're about 20 minutes in now, something like that. Almost 30 minutes. Syncing now. Hope this goes faster. And now we can say reboot. Now it will restart. And now we're back. Put in our PIN and then we're back in the phone with the newest software update. If we go to settings again, go to About Phone and then go here, we have no updates available, and then we can go back, use your phone as normal, and hopefully your problems that you might have had in the past are gone now. So that's how you can look for a software update and perform a software update on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.